the conditional display of data in endpoint summaries in links to endpoint study records. The condition is the value of the field key result in the endpoint study record. I will now show an example. An endpoint summary contains references to the endpoint study records it summarizes. The references are links in the section Key Value for Assessment in the field Link to Relevant Study Records. For an example raw dataset, we have in section 7.2 an endpoint summary named Acute Toxicity ESS, which refers to an endpoint study record named Acute Toxicity Oral ESR1. In the data window, we can see the name of the endpoint study record in the link here. After the name, data values from the record are shown, which are LD50, 10 to 100 micrograms per kilogram of body weight. These data are shown here because in the endpoint study record, the data are in a table row that has the field key result ticked. Now let's go and check that from the endpoint study record. To open the record, click on it twice, which opens it in a sliding window. Scroll down to the data where there is a table that contains a field named Key Result. Here is the data under Effect Levels. This type of tabulated data is sometimes referred to as a repeatable block. We can see that there are two rows of data. The one whose data is shown in the endpoint summary has the box for a key result ticked. If I now also tick the lower box for key result and then click on Save, we can see that both rows of data are now shown, separated by a vertical bar here. Note that if only one row is available on the record, it is shown as a key result even if key result is not ticked. To show that, I will open the record again, scroll down to the data for effect levels, delete the upper row, untick the key result box for the value LD50 of between 20 and 80 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, then click on Save. Note that the data from the single remaining row are shown here.